Hey guys, it's me, and I'm back in the studio, and it's time to take a picture. Alright, now what you see behind me is a setup that I've been working on for quite some time, and it's based off of an idea I've had about 2 months ago. As a creative, I regularly throw ideas on the wall and see what sticks. A couple of months ago, I came up with the concept of using fishing line to suspend products in air. Now, while levitating product shots are typically done in Photoshop, my goal was to do it straight out of camera. And here's the live view. And with the flashes triggering, we got the shot. So how did we do it? Well, here's the camera. The setup is a 50mm tilt shift, a 1.4 extender, and a 5 DSR. Sure, 50 megapixels is overkill, but that's the way I roll. But most of the magic happens on set, where the product is literally hanging on by a thread. I used multiple layers of fishing line, tape, and card to space things out as best as I could. For the lighting setup, we've got 2 lights on either side, a background light, and a 4th light coming through a diffuser. And after fine-tuning the placement, all that was done was a crop and some contrast, and the final image was achieved. Okay, so if you're thinking, cool shot, but I could have done that in Photoshop, what was the point? Well, it's to build experience actually doing things, as well as taking creative concepts and making them reality. There's a lot of hypotheticals in the world of creativity, but getting hands-on and creating is priceless in my opinion. Yes, the shot was pretty simple and could have been done in Photoshop, could have been done in CGI, could have been done a lot of different ways. This technique is one that I hadn't done before and wanted to grow my experience. It's all about having a hypothesis and trying it out and seeing what happens. And that's exactly what this was, a photo experiment. So thanks for coming on this experimental journey with me. If you like more of this, comment, please subscribe. Like if you thought it was a great video, dislike twice if you didn't, and leave a comment as far as what other ideas you want me to experiment with next. I may or may not have multiple of these. They're awesome. Not sponsored.